I'm here at Manly's Andrew Boyd Charlton Aquatic Centre. We're committed to taking action on climate change and reducing our carbon emissions. And to help do this, we've set a goal that by 2030 we'll switch over all suitable sites in council to renewable energy sources. And now we're one step closer. Check out what we've just installed behind us. One of the largest solar power systems on the northern beaches, and it's on the roof of this building. In addition to this, we've installed solar on another 6 of our buildings over the past year. That's about the same as around 60 households converting to solar power, or like taking 150 cars off our roads. Not only are we doing our bit to reduce carbon emissions, but we're also saving significantly on our electricity bills, and that's a win-win for everybody.